Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the safe browsing or safe search option. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very easy, you have to just follow my steps. So first of all, you need to go to your Chrome browser, or it can be any browser. The options will be literally same. Then you can see a three dot button at the top right corner. You have to click on the three dot button. Now there will be many options like new tab, new incognito tab, history, downloads, and so on. But at the bottom part you can see an option which is settings. You have to click on this option. Okay, now still there are many options as well, but our desired option is privacy and security. You can see that the option is here. I have indicated it, so you have to click on this option. Okay, now at the second place you can see a button safe browsing. This is our desired button. From here we can easily turn on and turn off the safe browsing or safe search option. So let's see what's inside it. Okay, now you can see there are three options. First one is enhanced protection, second one is standard protection, and the third one is no protection. Let me just brief you about these three options. So the first option is about it warns you and predicts about the dangers, keep you safe on Chrome. Then it also improves security for you and everyone on the web, as well as send URLs to safe browsing to check them. Actually it is the highest protection. So if you select this one, your browsing will be in highest protection. Now in the second option you can see standard protection. This is actually medium protection. It detects and warns you about the dangerous events when they happen. Then it also checks URLs with a list of unsafe sites stored in Chrome and so many other things. It's better to use standard protection. It's not overprotected, not underprotected. If you do not need any type of protection, then you need to click on the third option, that is no protection. If you click on that, you can see there is a pop-up button which says turn off safe browsing. You have to click on the turn off. That's all, your all protection will be turned off. That means I have successfully turned off my safe browsing or safe search option. So this is how actually you can do it. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.